Good morning to you all today. Super excited to be once again up on the stage giving my second TEDx talk. And today is the topic currency of curiosity. I think it perfectly fits my journey. And I'm going to give you a little introduction about my journeys. So, can we have the first slide, please? Yes, so that is Lee, just a Miglo boat. I had a meet and greet with the Manchester United legends in Malaysia and also got flown down business class by an airline. But if you told me that this was going to be my life 12 to 13 years ago, I would never have believed you. From being that girl who started a blogging career, so there's a lot of self doubt, with a lot of naysayers telling you how blogging cannot be a career, it's just a hobby, to today having a successful influencer career, I think it's been quite a roller coaster. Now, to give you an idea of what the scenario was back then when I started 12, 13 years ago, imagine this. Fresh out of college, armed with a first class distinction, the business management degree. The path was clear, a corporate job, a stable salary, a safe career. But something, inside me nudged me and said, what if? What if I didn't follow the fast at the data? What if my curiosity for fashion, for storytelling, and self expression could be something more? What if I explored something that fascinated me rather than what looked good on paper? And that was my unconventional career option, fashion doing at that time. And that what if I don't think was a rebellion. I picked that was curiosity, and that curiosity, honestly, is the most valuable currency that I'd ever owned. Now being a pioneer in the Indian fashion blogging scene means that I had commenters. I had no blueprint. I had no roadmap of what fashion blogging was going to be in India. But I chose curiosity over convention at that time. Instead of with my business management degree, stepping into a corporate office, I decided to start my blog in 2013 called Feisty Fox Diaries. Uh, I was not certain it would work, but I was curious to see what would happen if I tried. And that single decision, driven by curiosity, changed the course of my life. Being a pioneer sounds glamorous, but honestly, it can be really lonely. Having nobody to consult with, no reference points. My only reference points at that time were international bloggers. There was an Italian blogger, I don't know if you're familiar with her, Chiara Ferragani. She's made like a very big empire today. She was from the Blonde Salad, and then there was Amy Song or Song of Style. And I had my monthly, Cosmopolitan magazine subscription. And I remember flipping through the pages and just seeing the kind of work that these international bloggers were doing with global brands. They were telling International Fashion Week, New York Fashion Week, Paris Fashion Week. And I was just obviously religiously following their blogs and seeing the kind of work they were doing. And I was really curious that if they were doing such amazing work abroad, why couldn't I do something like that here in India? And so I just decided I'm going to set up my blog on blogger.com at that point in time. I taught myself every day how to set up a blog, design layouts, SEO, widgets, plugins. And I remember this like a lot of YouTube tutorials, endless life, lot of self doubt. But I think that my curiosity is what drove me to keep researching, learning. And every time I hit publish on that article on my blog, throughout the night writing it and researching with the SEO and plugins. I think that my curiosity paid me back. Initially, it wasn't with money, of course, but it was learning, confidence, clarity, and I got subsequent exposure. I think that point in time, I realized that I wasn't just building content, but I was building a voice. Now, what is the currency of curiosity? Now, currency enables exchange, it enables value to move. I think in the same way, curiosity works in the same way. It enables us to have an exchange of ideas, perspectives, cultures, and possibilities. It pushes us to question the status quo. It comes learning into momentum. Now, there are three ways in which I look back and see how curiosity shaped my journey: curiosity to explore, curiosity to evolve, and curiosity to create impacts. Coming to breaking conventions and setting new standards. Now, when I started blogging, people said, this is not a career. You cannot make money for this. But honestly, I was a little scared that they might be right. But I think my curiosity was louder than my fear. And I treated my blog like a business way before it became one. I believed in the power of digital storytelling at a time where traditional media like newspapers and magazines still dominated. Slowly, I feel my curiosity created opportunity. Brands notice, audiences engage, young girls wrote to me say, "You inspire me, I want to do this too." Now, from local currency, curiosity to global impact. Yes, I think coming to my blogging journey, one of my earliest milestones was my collaboration with the Sun Eva's Be Beautiful channel, where I was co-creating skincare and beauty content for some of their popular brands like Lakme, Dove, Bond, or Sunsilk. Even starring a couple of the digital ads for Be Blunt and Dove. And I thought that marked my entry into the beauty industry and positioned me as one of India's trusted voices. Then came a moment that I'll never forget is Pons Global selected me as the only Indian influencer to represent India in New York. I got a chance to visit their R&D center in Connecticut, meet the scientists behind the brand, see how the products were being made. And you also got a cool opportunity to create content at the Google headquarters in New York. And I think that moment, it just hit me that it was surreal that a girl who was building her blog in her bedroom now was creating and sharing ideas on a global scale. And I believe that was the power of curiosity that turned local passion into global relevance. Now came the Instagram era. Now that was when curiosity demanded reinvention again. Because blogs gave way to clicks and visuals and creativity and now fit in a square frame. I had to learn photography, storytelling through visuals now, location planning, prop styling. From writing articles on blogs, now I was scripting reels. From learning photography, now I had to learn video editing. I had to understand the complex world of algorithms and latest trends. As a creator, you have to constantly innovate. You have to constantly multitask. You are the creative head, you are the finance head, you are the makeup artist, you are the stylist, all of it. And honestly, it can get very exhausting, but I think curiosity is what kept me adaptable. And today, the curiosity helped me grow an engaged community or over 1 million followers on Instagram that I am so grateful for. Expanding the value of curiosity. Okay, this is some of the brands that I work with. Zoria, Nadely, Shiseido, Levi's, Mac, and also Indian brands like Amazon and Myntra. Now, coming to my luxury travel collaborations, the most exciting part of my career, I think, is taking me all over the world. I've collaborated with top hotel chains like the Marriott, the Taj, Novotel. Also collaborates tourism boards like Singapore Tourism Board, luxury cruise lines, and recently my trip with Malaysia. Like any other travels like uh, also been featured by magazines like the British Vogue, Cosmopolitan, and Seminar. Also won the award for the best beauty tourist year, the Daughter of the Trends event, and Woman Achievers Award for my 2026 for my work as a beauty influencer. Now, I think that each one of these achievements have been a defining moment, a proof that small beginnings can lead to extraordinary justice. I'm so grateful that I have let that curiosity drive me and fuel me. Otherwise, I wouldn't be on this stage sharing my journey with you. Now, coming to travel content. Okay, so I think traveling and creating content was a natural extension of my journey, which earlier was with fashion and with great beauty. Where curiosity is a currency that allows you to travel not just across countries, but across perspective, cultures, and versions of yourself. And I get a chance to share that journey and translate that with my followers. So some of the pictures that I shot recently in Paris, that was at the iconic Eiffel Tower. That was after Triumph at the Louvre Museum and Moulin Rouge. And on my recent trip to Malaysia Airlines, which is super exciting, I got flown down business class. This was like a trip over many firsts. I got flown down business class. I did cover them the latest business class. I got to meet the Manchester United legend. It was definitely more of my 2026 seats far. Also got to stay in a Michelin E hotel. And I think that having said that, opportunities are amazing, but creating content in a foreign country comes with its own set of challenges. Sometimes take me up to 1 month to do a lot of research, planning, to see how the scenario is going to be, coordinating with people abroad. So it requires a lot of research and planning. But I think that is worth it because the content that you get abroad is really unique and I get to share that at the time. Coming to the age of AI, now, we all live in the age of AI, and content creators like me need to learn the skill to boost efficiency, to enhance your content quality and just maintain competitive. I think that AI helps you keep your content innovative and engaging. For me personally, it really is accelerating my video editing, has to generate ideas for my reels, generate captions, and I think it's very important for creators like me to remain relevant in a highly competitive market. Some content creation for me, I feel, is very dynamic. I've seen it change over the years. I've been in this industry for over a decade, and it can be really exhausting, be honest. You're keeping abreast of trend, what's the latest trendy audio, what's the trendy style. Algorithm keep changing, but I think your curiosity is really drives you. It keeps you adaptable. It gives you that passion to keep innovating, learning, and researching. A strong lesson that I have learned is never be laid back about something that you're passionate about. Let that curiosity drive you to keep learning, innovating, and adapting to ever changing times. That's the only way you stay relevant. Uh, Coming to the power of representation, and this is something I strongly believe. Curiosity doesn't just change individuals, it empowers communities. When I became a blogger, so many friends and followers of mine said this, oh, this is something that I can consider as a career. And they actually tried, they said, you inspire me, and they've actually made a successful career after I tried my natural. I believe that when young girls see someone who looks like them, comes from where they come from, it expands their ideas of what is possible in young. And representation says, if she can do it, so can I. And that's how I believe curiosity becomes currency, not just for personal success, but for collective progress. Coming to the Indian influencer industry today, there's a major shift. Indian influencer industry is booming. Careers that didn't exist a decade ago are thriving today. Brands are investing more than ever in digital storytelling. And that is because influencers have that trust and confidence with their followers that in turn builds the credibility for the brands. The Indian influencer industry is expected to grow to rupees 3,375 crores in 2026 with an 18% CAGR, and that is driven by more than 740 million active smartphone users. 86% of Indian influencers expect an increased income. Key sectors that are going to see growth are personal care, fashion, technology, with a heavy reliance on YouTube and Instagram. So, this is how creators are building global impact from local ideas. I leave you with this. What are you curious about? What questions are you afraid to ask? What paths are you hesitant to explore? Because what I've learned is success is not linear. It is built on curiosity, and that is what drives more learning, innovation, and change, leading to exciting possibilities. I hope that my story today, from being a first generation Indian blogger to going through all those challenges and seeing a decade of change, can inspire you too, to let your curiosity drive you, explore that curiosity, and let it drive you towards the path that you are most passionate about. And when you let that fuel you, you can create a real impact in the world. One day, someone will look at your journey and say, because you dared to ask why, I dared to try. And that, my friends, is the true currency of curiosity.